Thank you for your purchase of a Solutions Sealers premium Australian-made topical sealer. In this brief video, we'll demonstrate how to seal your stone or concrete surface using one of the following Solutions Sealers products: Pavacryl, Silicryl Wet Look or Matte in our solvent-based topical range, or Acrycryl in our water-based topical sealer range. If you're using one of our premium penetrating sealers, please see the relevant video which applies specifically for the product you've chosen. The materials you'll need to successfully seal a stone or concrete surface using a Solutions Sealers Topical Sealer are as follows: a roller tray, a paint roller, a paintbrush for edges, the relevant PPE equipment, and of course, your Solutions Sealers Topical Sealer of choice. If you're using a solvent-based sealer in an environment that's not well ventilated, it's recommended that you use an appropriate mask or ventilator. Any stone or concrete sealing job is typically made up of 4 distinct steps. 1. Preparation. 2. Application of the first coat. 3. Application of the second and third coats. And 4. The cleanup of the job. Step 1. Preparation. Before sealing, the surface must be clean and dry. Usually this means that areas that have been cleaned must not be sealed until the following day, or a minimum of 12 hours has passed after cleaning. For advice on how to clean stone or concrete surfaces, please view our video entitled Using Solutions Sealers Cleaning Products. In addition to being clean and dry, it's important to check atmospheric conditions. In simple terms, this means that the stone or concrete surface is not too cold or too hot. If the temperature of the surface to be sealed is below 5 degrees or above 35 degrees, then the surface is not suitable for sealing. Sealing a surface that's wet, too cold, or too hot will not give good results. Step 2. Applying the first coat. If you're using Solutions Sealers Pavacryl or Silicryl Wet Look or Matte, the first coat is thinned down with Solutions Sealers Eversol at a range of 50-50. This ensures that the sealer can bond well to the stone or concrete surface you're wishing to seal. If you're using Acrycryl, our water-based topical sealer, there's no need to water the product down at all. Cut in any edges with a paintbrush. Place a quantity of sealer into your roller tray. Dip the paint roll into the sealer and remove any excess sealer on the roller tray as seen here. The goal is to apply enough sealer to the surface to thoroughly wet the area being sealed without leaving excess residue. Excess residue presents as foam, air bubbles, or streaks. Allow time for the first coat of sealer to be drawn into the surface. This usually takes 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the surface and how it's finished. Step 3. Applying the second coat or second and third coats. These coats are a final application of sealer and a repeat of the first coat direction. However, the second coat does not need to be broken down with Eversol. It's not thinned out at all. The second coat is applied exactly as provided. The surface should be completely dried out before the second coat is applied. After the 2 or 3 coats of sealer have been applied, the surface is allowed to cure. Depending on the sealer used and the surface being sealed, in most cases, the sealer will become dry to touch within 2 hours. However, it will take 12 to 24 hours for the sealer to reach its full cure. The end result should be a beautiful, streak-free sealed surface. Step 4. Clean up. If you're using a Solutions Sealers solvent-based topical sealer, all brushes, rollers, trays, buckets, and pots can be cleaned using white spirits or solvent. If you're using a Solutions Sealers water-based topical sealer, then simply clean up using water. Congratulations, you've successfully sealed your beautiful stone or concrete surface with Solutions Sealers Topical Sealer. Thanks for your company today, and please feel free to view any of our how-to videos on cleaning and maintaining your stone or concrete surfaces so that the hard work stays looking beautiful for years to come.